Hycosan Shield soothes gritty and dry eyes by replenishing tear lipids. Unless otherwise instructed by your physician, and depending on the severity of your symptoms, use 4 times daily by squeezing 1 drop inside the lower eyelid. If necessary, Hycosan Shield can be used daily. Hycosan Shield is a unique product and is dispensed from the bottle using a slightly different method to conventional eye drops. Therefore, please follow these instructions carefully every time. Wash your hands before use. Remove the cap and tamper-proof ring. Hold the bottle upright and gently squeeze the bottle. Maintaining the pressure, turn the bottle upside down and release the pressure. This release in pressure allows air to be drawn through the liquid into the bottle. Bend your head slightly backwards and gently pull down your lower eyelid. It helps to look at a point on the ceiling. Still holding the bottle upside down, place the bottle above the eye and lightly squeeze the bottle once again to allow a single drop to fall into the pocket formed in the lower eyelid. Repeat this last step to apply a drop in the other eye. Please note, due to Hycosan Shield's special properties, you may not feel the drop entering the eye. Should this be the case, it may be helpful to use a mirror to aid application. Ensure you do not touch the tip of the bottle off your eyes or eyelashes. To ensure a uniform distribution of Hycosan Shield across the eye, close your eyes briefly after applying the drops. Replace the protective cap back on the bottle after use. Hycosan Shield can be used for 6 months after first opening. To learn more, visit scopeeyecare.com or contact our customer care team at info@scopeeyecare.com.